The ramp is work. So guys, ayan na nga. Pumunta na ata sila dito kasi pumasok kami kasi umulan. So, ayan na yung duck. Hi! Oh, you know na how? So guys, ito na po yung mga chicken namin. Yan si Lily and the other one over there is Sophie. And then we got two ducks but we don't know what their name yet. So we just name maybe tomorrow or later we can decide it. So that's how it looks like, guys, to their cage. And over here, that's inside if the winter comes, so they can come inside over here. So that's how they lay egg over that. Okay, so that's the timer for their electricity. Okay, for the fake lights. So that's them to go there. So ayan na sila. Come on in here. Subi. So wait. So yan yung tunnel na ginawa namin ni asawa. So hindi pa yung duck, hindi pa sila nakapunta dito, which is inaantay namin na pumunta sila from there to over here because kasi nandito yung nila, yung water nila. So the chicken is already in here. So ito yung ramp nila, guys, para makapunta yung duck. Ayan, binutasan namin ni asawa yun dyan para maging ganyan siya, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan oh. So ganyan siya, di ba? So ayan na, kasi wala pa talaga sila, andun pa rin sila sa loob, ayaw pa talaga mapakita. And then ayun yung garden ko doon. Tsaka pag dito naman sa gilid, yun ka, ayan ang baby. Hi! So yan yung rabbit namin. Is a boy, that's a baby boy. Okay, but the mom of that, we already sold them. We already sold her, I mean, yeah. So ayan, tapos ito merong baby. Yan, hi Polly. So that's a Polly. And ayun yung baby doon sa loob. Pakita ko sa inyo. So ganitong ginawa namin, guys. Ayan, mahaba talaga yan. Anuhan namin para walang makapasok or walang makakuha sa kanila. Kaya alam mo naman, may wild animals tayo dito. So, ganyan. Ito yung grow up cage ng rabbit. So, pag malaki na yung baby, ayan, i-separate na namin dito siya sa kabilang cage. So, hindi po yan sila anong tawag niyan? Magkadikit. Kumbaga, separate po yan sila. Okay? Huy! Pale! So, di ko alam anong nangyari kay Pale. What? So, can I see your baby first? Tinakpan niya yung door. Huy! I want to see your baby first. Come on, ha? Pale! Pale! Can I open it? So, I can see your baby. Why you didn't go upstairs? May upstairs na siya, guys. Upstairs. Na kailangan siyang pumunta doon para hindi siya mag-bother ng kanyang mga baby. So, ayan. Tanggalin muna natin to kasi nga nilagyan ni asawa. Ayan. Excuse pala. Go there. Go there. Ay naku, ayaw niya talaga. Gusto niya talaga magpa-baby sa akin. So, ito yung pakita natin. Yung baby. Where are they? Hi! Come on out. They're hiding. So, dalawa lang yan sila, guys. Yes, dalawa lang. Dalawa lang ang baby ni Polly. Ayan. Ayan ang pao. Ayan siya. Ayan doon. Hoy, come on in here. Come here. Hoy, come on. Ayaw nila. So, lagyan natin ng flashlight. Ng light. Oops, not available daw. Bakit kaya? Ganon. Ano rin? Ayan na yung baby. Uy, you surprised me, ha? So, ayan na sila guys. Ito, ang tawag nila dito is a broken red. And then this one is a red. Hoy, baby. So, ayan na yung baby. Kita ninyo? Ayan na. Dalawa lang sila. So, ilock na natin. Yan yung box nila guys. Okay. Box nila. So, kailangan namin silang ilock. So, we use it, the dog cage for them. And then, we put some hardware cloth para hindi ano yung ano nila, yung paa nila. So, ganito siya guys. Ganyan siya. Okay? Ganyan siya. Sobrang ano niya. So, dito din yung rabbit before, but we already sold some of it. So, ayan. So, that looks like, ayan yung water nila. Uy, baby! Wala, the baby's out. Come here. So, bago pa lang yan sila bago pa lang yan sila pinanganak. Pero nag-open na yung eyes. Dapat di pa yan naka-open ng eyes. Ayan. Saan yung isa? Yeah! I'm here! So, ala! Uy! Where are you going, baby? Oh my God. So, yung baby kanina, nandito. Akala ko na film, kaso hindi pala siya na film, guys. So, nag-explore yung baby from outside. And now, I think, nasa inside na sila, guys. Kaso kumakain ang baby. Tingnan natin. So, open natin again. Kasi, kailangan natin makuha ang camera, yung mukha nila sa camera. Ayan ha. Hoy, you explore outside ha. So ayan na. Uy, dalawa kayo o isa lang? Dalawa kayo o isa lang? Where's the other one? Ay, so dalawa pala. Dalawa sila guys, nandyan. Ayan o. Dalawa sila, nandyan. Hoy, come on out in here. So, ayan yung mama nila. Ay, naku, kanina, ang ganda sana. Nag-explore yung baby. Kaso, akala ko nga, na-record. Hindi pala siya na-record, guys. Kaya, ayan sila, nasa loob. So, we don't know the gender yet. Okay, so alam ko, I know how to, anong tawag niyan? I know how to see if it's a boy or it's a girl. Yeah. But in the Philippines, we don't have rabbit, but I know it already. Charot. No guys, it's a joke. I look out to the internet. So that's a Polly. Yan. Pali namin. What? So, ilock na natin guys. Ilock na natin yung ating kasi pakita ko sa inyo yung mga hay nila. Okay? Yan si Pali. Pali! Yan, kumakain siya. And then the baby's head out again. So, kailangan nilang mag-explore sa labas. Come on. So, ayan, pwede siyang umakyat dyan. Then, pwede siyang umakyat dito sa taas din. Okay? So, parang nag-ingay ang ating chicken kasi nandito na sila. Oh, ayan na. Sana yung duck? Punta na kayo dito. Come on. Come here. So, ganyan yung ginawa namin, guys. Ayan. Nakikita niyo yung butas. Ayan. Binutasan namin yan para mag-connect sila. Diyan. Pero yung duck, hindi pa nakapunta dito. Ewan, andun lang sila sa kabila. Ayan o. Nakikita nyo? Ayan o. Ayan o. Ayan, dyan lang siya. Ayan o. Kita nyo yung head. O, nandun pa yung duck. Kailangan nilang pumunta dito. Come here. Come here. Psst. Uy. Kruk, 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 kruk. Come here. Sophie. Yeah? So guys, yung duck, nandyan pa rin sila. Kailangan nilang pumunta doon sa kabila. Ayan na, lumabas na sila. Oh, sige, punta doon sa kabila. Na. Agoy. Ayan, yan yung duck na bago pinick up namin today. Hoy. So, ito yung mga alaga ko, guys. Yan, sige, punta kayo doon. Sige, that's fine. Go there. You can step. Go, step up. Go. So, kailangan nilang pumunta doon. Come on. Go there. Yan na. Let's find out, guys. Okay. Kailangan nilang pumunta doon, guys. Kasi don't make noise, honey. They're trying to put their head over there. In here. The duck, I mean. Okay, the other duck, the head is over there now. Wait a minute. Go there, guys. Just safe. Go there. I want to get you there. Go. Ay, nako. So, ayan. Inaantay namin.
Beautiful duck.
Yeah, I know. So, inantay namin na, guys, na pupunta sila dito. Ayan,
That was a
dyan.
smart move, honey.
What? Yeah, you did no. Good job. So, ayan. Ayan, inantay pa namin sila, guys, na kailangan nilang pumunta doon. You need to explore. You know, the baby rabbit exploring.
Yeah, are they out still?
Honey, we need to put some straw so they never cut their feet.
I did.
No, they got more straw. They need more straw.
Are they out?
Yeah, the other one is out. The other one is inside.
I don't see it.
No more na? Maybe they're inside now. I'll show you. I got film
Okay.
later, but it takes
Alright,
this
honey.
one is long. Come on. Come on, duck. You go there. Come on. Go. It's safe. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead. Don't scare them, honey. So, ayan. Yan yung stick na head niya. Go there. So, kailangan nating mag-patient, guys. Kasi nga, bago lang sila. So, they need to explore. Ayan, bago lang. So, they need to explore, guys. So, the head is out again. Oops. So, they're looking for it. Go na, dali. Punta mo. Ay, nas, dali. So, ayan. Oh, sige. Go there. Step. One step. One step. Yeah,
Come
you're
on,
good
guys.
to go. Go. Go ahead. Go. Just one step. Yep, one step. Come on. Need more patient, honey.
Yeah. That little baby sticking its head out.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said to you. And then all of a sudden, they just run.
Oh, there he goes back in.
So, ayan na. Ayan. Ganyan pala ang baby. Baby ducks. Baby ducks. We call that baby. Babies. Baby. Baby. Baby only. So, they need more exploring. Come on guys. Nobody's getting the na si Dada po. Kaya nag... Oy chicken, show them how. You need to guide them. Go. You can do it. Come on. You can't explore, guys. Just go to the tunnel. Go. Guys, they're not noisy, no? They're so silent. Silent duck. No noise at all. Just a silent duck. Ayan. Silent duck lang sila, guys. Stick your head out. Go there. Stick your head out. Nobody. Yeah, nobody. Go ahead. So, yan yung mga duck namin. Yan. Ew, beautiful. Beautiful. So, tingnan natin guys. Or other video na pupunta na sila dyan sa tunnel. Okay? So, wait natin mga ilang oras or ilang minuto kung pupunta ba talaga sila. So, this still over here. So, huh? Oops. Oh. Someone teach you now? You teach them? That's Lily. Yeah, they are in here. So guys, makikita nyo dyan. Ayan na sila, oh. Yan. So, saan kayo? Sino nag-teach sa inyo? Ha? Who? So, tingnan natin. Maybe they're afraid, honey.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
So, tingnan natin. Ayan na. Andiyan po yan eh.
Hope they don't give them enough problems where they can't get through. Here it goes.
Here you go. Yeah, I'm filming it. Hala guys, ang cute nila. Yan na sila. Pasok na sila doon. Good job.
No problem.
Good job. So no problem guys. Ayan na, na-explore na nila. Good job. Wiggle wiggle. Okay. So, ayan na yung duck natin is okay na sila. Pwede na sila. So, that's it guys. Pinakita na namin sa inyo. Ayan na siya. I think that's it guys. Bye.